Oh shit. You guys know what time it is. We about to set y'all up. Ha ha. Gold store. She's sounding real good. She's sounding healthy. I like it. I like it. What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We are on day 21. I am not sure if it's gonna get posted on day 21 or 22. I don't know yet. We'll see. Hopefully I get enough content today to post this today. So we'll see. Right now, we are actually headed to go pick up some food for the family. It's actually just me, my dad, and my little brother today at the house. So I'm gonna go pick up some food for us, and then I actually gonna replace the stock seat again. So if you guys know, I do have the other blue Street Hunter seat. Yeah, we're gonna swap it out today. And I'm just curious to see if this seat is what's kind of putting more weight onto the right side of the car, because when I end up having a passenger in here, I like end up rubbing real bad on the right side. I wonder if it's the seat, because the seat is heavy because of all the electronics in the bottom. I just kind of want to put it back just because it looks cool with both matching seats, you know? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the other seat back in today when I get back. I appreciate y'all for always showing love on the videos. You guys actually showed a lot of love on the video where my dad got his truck, and I truly appreciate it. You guys just been showing a lot of love and support, and I truly am grateful and appreciative. And to all the new subscribers, I appreciate y'all. Welcome to the family. This is my first year of attempting Vlogmas, and I will say I am doing an okay job. I missed kind of like I want to say 2 days in total. The other one didn't really count, you guys know, but I want to say I missed like 2 days total. Kind of sucks. I was trying to go for a full 25-day streak, but it's hard, bro. It's hard trying to come up with content every day, and then like I work like technically a 9 to 5, but hey man, I'm trying it. I'm doing an okay job, and at least I'm doing it, bro. Like, this is actually definitely motivating for next year. And while doing the Vlogmas, I've just like been thinking of like new ideas and ways to kind of just change it up next year, and things that I need to work on. So it's kind of dope doing Vlogmas, because then you just kind of see the things that you want to work on or need to work on, just stuff like that. I still am a little sick. I am coming off of it, but I took the day off because I just wasn't feeling the best last night either. Today I'm feeling a bit better. I was supposed to go to South OC Cars and Coffee this morning, but I didn't leave early enough, and the time I would have left, I would have got there by the time it ended. Maybe we'll go next week. Yeah, I'm back in the whip, but dude, I totally forgot. I have a haircut appointment right now, so I'm about to go get this haircut. Barber about to get me right now. Oh, yes, sir. Damn, I just saved you guys so much of that boring part of trying to disconnect this thing, because my latch is broken on my thing, so it was taking me a while to disconnect it. My back is killing me. But let's remove the seat. We're gonna add that blue one right there. Yes, sir. Alright, time to put the blue one on. I'm gonna put the blue one in. I'm so upset. I had it situated, bro. I already had it bolted in and everything, and then I come and check this seat. Oh, let me go turn on the light real quick. I come and check the stock seat. I totally forgot to remove the belt, bro. The belt buckle thing. I totally forgot to transfer it over. Now I gotta take the seat out again, transfer it over, and then put it back in. Bro, I had it bolted in. This is tiring, bro. It shouldn't have not taken me this long. Bro, after so long, I finally got the seat in. Now we finally got both seats back in, bro. Now it looks good, looks right, you feel me? My back is killing me just from putting these seats in. Like I said, I would have already had them in if I didn't mess up and not put the seatbelt buckle shit, whatever. Finally in, we're done. And we might be heading to a night meet at a warehouse. So don't go anywhere. And yeah, it looks like this video might get uploaded the 22nd, yeah, on the 22nd, just because again didn't have much. I was sick. I even had to call out today just not to work because I was feeling sick. Feeling a little bit better now. All right, y'all, so like I said, we's approaching a midnight meet and it is at a warehouse, so that's where we're actually headed to right now. I think I'm in the hood, bro, because this area, I know this area. So guys, I can't find any parking, but I found a house with Christmas lights. But I can't find any parking, bro. I just see hundreds of cars, bro, just circling around, just trying to find parking. And I am not trying to park far, bro. Damn, the fireworks over here. I was like, what the hell going on? Bro, this car's Christmas lights look crazy for some reason. They look like they're almost about to fly off. Jeez. They're like Mario Kart. Oh, that's a Domino's pizza sign. That's funny. Look how sick this is on the truck. What is good, y'all? Good morning. We just headed to a Cars and Coffee. I feel like we might get there really late. Like, might just get there when it ends. But this Honda is nice right here. I always see this. It's a nice Honda. I know. Yesterday we didn't get inside because there was no parking. So yesterday was just a fail. I hope you guys are enjoying your day, whatever you guys are doing. Oh, look at what I'm leaving to, bro. An MK4. Oh, looks so good. Then we got an R32. Damn. Oh, beautiful. Safe. I'm gonna have to delete some footage though because my memory is almost up, which kind of sucks. Alright guys, so we finally made it. We got the Supra looking right next to a yellow one. This is also an A91. How do I know? I think the license plate. Oh no, it says A90, my fault. I like how he did the A90, that's sick. A91, A90. Nice, nice, but we have made it. There's a lot to go through and my batteries ain't even charged, bro. So we're gonna see how we do this. But just look at this. Fire. And this Evo right here, all black. Looks so good, bro. And then we got the boy D right here and this Tom Supra. Looking super clean. Y'all have already seen that multiple times, but you know I always gotta show love to homie D. But there's a lot more cars we'll get through, but we'll go over here first, see what's over here, because I think all the big hitters are on this side. So we got the Evo. This is also nice. Imagine getting one of these. These are expensive as hell now. M3, G80. Damn, look at this Porsche, bro. Just look at the exhaust right here. Sheesh, that titanium, bro. Wide body. Damn, look at the interior in this beat. Ooh, this is clean. Just look at this. This is gorgeous, bro. This is fire. I need one of these. So we got a Viper. This is crazy. You rarely see Vipers. SRT 10. These are nice. We got next to the NSX. Also clean. Very nice. S15. Ooh, this is nice, bro. Look at the SSRs. This thing is beautiful. Almost looks like fresh kicks, honestly. Yeah, this thing is gorgeous, bro. I would want one of these. We got a M4, F82. Nice, nice. And this 240 is crazy. Oh my gosh. Look at the interior, everything here. The Alcantara, bro, this is beautiful. The way it's all like buttoned up all nicely. Yeah, this is sick. I love the color on this too. Very nice color. Look how deep these wheels are. For a 240, pretty deep, bro. Single turbo. Oh my God, I had to come over here and see this E30 because look at the peanut butter interior in here. Yeah, this is a hard on the BBSs. Then the Subaru, you guys seen this one multiple times. This one's crazy. Wide body, roll cage, everything up in there. Yeah, that's just sick. TR, R35, nice, nice, nice. We got a couple vendors, some coffee and food over here. Got the old classics over here, the old schools. Check these out right now. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice, bro. Look how mint and clean these are, bro. One day to have these in the collection would be so sick. Woo! Damn. I remember I used to play high school basketball with this guy, which is crazy. Now he has a whole wide body Civic, which is clean on the BBSs too. Sheesh, he got the money. Yeah, this is a crazy build, bro. That's just nice. Gotta take a little walk over here because we got the hood classics, you know, the old school classics. This Camaro, really nice. next to this other one. This one's also nice. This color is beautiful. Got the Mustang over here. Whoo, a Mach 1 at that, a Mach 1. I have no idea what this is called. Can't even tell you guys. I believe it's a Ford GT. Damn, this is crazy. This gotta be like one of the first. Damn, look at the rear end on this. What the hell? I'm telling you, bro, you see some crazy builds when you come to meets like this. R35, this is also beautiful. S15, nice. And then we got this GTR wagon, just so clean, bro. Look at the RB inside. Ooh. And this is rare to see too. I don't know if they converted it or anything like that, but stagger. Ooh. That's sick, even got the carbon hood. Yo, check out all these pins. These are so sick. No weenies allowed. Have no fear, the Mexican is here. Back and body hurts. Nap all day, snack all night, facts. These are all so sick though. So we was chopping it up with the boys over here, like D and Johnny, but majority of the cars are leaving already. Some RX-7s, I'm sorry, some Gen 1 RX-7s. Nice, nice, nice. This is clean. The white one. This red one is fire too. There was a lot more cars all on that side too, but pretty sure they're all like left already. It was just yapping too much, or I was. Look at this Mustang. It looks sick. It's the taillights and headlights for me. Yo, this big body Lexus right here is hard. What the hell? I was low-key here to record the boy Johnny's Supra, but this Lexus right here low-key took the show. This is sick. I would low-key whip this. This is hard, bruh. F-Sport, RX 500. Why is this USV hard, bro? There's no reason to be this baller. And it's lowered. This is sick. But right next to it, we got the boy Johnny's Supra. Obviously, you guys know it has the full Agile kit, all around. Agile steering wheel, Agile front facelift. This thing looks sick, bro. I'm getting that notification that my battery's about to die, so I might have to change it right now. Y'all know I gotta show love to the boy Johnny. Looks so clean. Then this BRZ right here. Yo, this thing is clean on a Varus kit? Okay, damn baller. This is fire. A whole Varus kit on a BRZ. That is sick. I love the hood. That's sick. The titanium. This is clean, bro. Cleanest BRZ I've probably seen yet. On the race too. Damn, the Blitz brakes. Yeah, this thing is fire all around. We got the S2000, sick. And then there's R34, bro, next to the Sylvia and the R32. Oh, I mean R33, sorry. Bro, this is so sick, all JDMs. We got the R34, looking absolutely beautiful, bro. I believe it's a GTT though. I think it is a GTT. But this thing is so clean. But then the S15, bro, this thing is so sick. And then the R33. Whew. Damn, bro, these are all so sick. It's so clean. Just look at this S15 though, bro. This thing is beautiful. The bride seats.
Nah, it's just dirty as hell.
Damn. And then we got this beautiful Supra over here, just kicking it on the triple chrome TEs with the Rex speed lip. Bro, I need to get this lip back, I swear. This hood is actually different. Damn, look at these vents. Damn, those vents are crazy. He's on the bags, as you can see, and then he's on those Invoke tail lights. Nice, nice. What if I got a duckbill like this instead of a wing and just put it on the carbon? It'd be a carbon duckbill on a carbon trunk. Something a little different. I think it'd be sick, but this is beautiful, bro. The way it's just sitting over here like this, nice. The 80 is clean. I like how he painted the wheels to bronze. That's pretty fire. Too fire. 911 Turbo S, too fire. 3 C63s over here just kicking it together. All right. My bad, perritos. We got the Brooper right here, and we is heading home now because, yeah, it's over. We came a little late. We didn't get to see much cars, but we saw some cars. It was a dope little turnout. I mean, obviously, if I came sooner, we would have probably got more, but it's okay. Yeah, we still pulled up, and I think it was dope for a drive. It's pretty dope. Let's see if we could catch up to the boy D, because he's on the same way we're headed.